This is Dapplets project. Today we will show you the Lootbox Dapplet. It was created to host airdrops and NFT giveaways within the Near ecosystem. Open the Dapplets extension and enable the Lootbox application. Then click on the homepage icon and go to the Lootbox settings. First, we need to log in with our Near account. After authorization, we see all of the created loot boxes, and now we can create a new one. Now we can choose the design of our box. It's the picture that users will see on social networks. Choose the content of the loot box. We can put Near blockchain tokens and NFTs. If we choose a fungible token, we can distribute Near tokens into any other tokens in the Near ecosystem. To create a loot box, enter its parameters: the total amount of the giveaway, the amount of winnings per person, and the chance of getting a prize. Now we can see a sample of our loot box and the amount of tokens necessary to fill it and pay for gas. After paying, our loot box will be created. If we want to use our own token, a new field called address of the token contract will be added. Add the address, and token ticker field will also be filled automatically. In this example, we will use the banana test token. Copy the address of its contract and paste it into our loot box. Fill in all the parameters of the loot box and click on Next. To fill a loot box, we need to sign two transactions, one to create the loot box and one to send tokens to it. They will take place one after another automatically. We can also fill the loot box with NFT tokens and distribute them. We can use NFTs from marketplaces, or we can use our own contract address. The contract address for a marketplace NFT can be taken from the address bar of the browser. The token ID parameter is also taken from there. We can add several NFTs to the loot box, one by one, using the button Add NFT. Fill in the parameters of the second NFT. After setting the distribution parameters, an author will need to sign two transactions, one to create a loot box and one to transfer the selected NFTs to the application contract. The transaction to send an NFT can take quite a long time. Do not close the browser page while it is running, and please do not interrupt it. Once the loot box is created, we can copy its code and post it on Twitter. You're free to change the text of this tweet. However, it's important to keep the unique links to the loot box and the user manual. For a user with the Dapplet, the link will be replaced with a clickable image. A user without will see a link to a page with the loot box and an instruction manual. The author can scroll through all of the boxes he created and see the statistics: how many tokens were distributed, how many are left, and who received the prizes. You can also copy the loot box code here. To open a loot box, a user with the Dapplets extension must click on the picture and approve the Near transaction. As soon as the transaction is signed, the contest takes place, and the user sees his prize, or a lack of it. The prize is immediately sent to the winner's account, and in the statistics we can see the record of a new transaction. If the user does not have the Dapplets extension, or the Lootbox Dapplet is turned off, then instead of a tweet with a picture, he will see a link to the application website and the instructions for installing it. Thank you. This was Dapplets project and the Lootbox Dapplet application. Let's make Web3 together.